Ngukugwata ugeni kiri nteto chietu cheru thaa ithatu rietwa ni Maureen Kinya monani rietwa mathithio ni Purity Richard amona nteto iria nkureterete ni
Geria tukuthurania kiri nteto cia weru uretaini mutujwa Lea Premium Fortified Sifted Maize Meal na Lea Premium All Purpose Fortified Wheat Flour kuma kiri kampuni ya New Palea Millers. Lea Premium, nurturing the world.
Seneti kuendekithia Kawira Mwangaza gutariria gitumi gutingugi kuoneka ya MTF. Oburu Odinga guitetera bati kwenda kujukia giti kia munini o rais. Akariba kianda gutariria mathina bagukurukira bakiuga ibatezaniritwe. Tugakuretera gichunje kia biere kia rugono rwa mwanya kiroto kia Meru City. Kamiti ya gutegera mantu jaria za gukonia muingi ndene ya seneti ni endekithitie uria wari gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza kurua gukinya mbere ya kamiti eze gutariria ni atia gutingugi kuoneka ithithikite rungu rwa mubango jwa uthithwa bwa barabara jwa MTF kinya kethira igukuoneka mung'ana jwa nkuruki ya milioni magana jana iria chianenkaniri kiria kandarathi mwanya mwanya kenda kuagirithia barabara maturene. Anthony Kathenya na ripoti ije.
I, Reverend Isaac Mutuman Twaidingia, Governor of Meru, do solemnly swear.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Mutuman Twaidingia kwa ntukungi matindi tembele ya kamiti ya seneti ya gusonkono tumilibu wa kigina kiri thirikari ja kaunti ya CPAC gusokia biulebe tumilibu wa kigina kiri miaka itukite ya kigina. Gavana Mutuman Twaidingia akiithagira isokia biulebe tungata bwa ulwari Gavana Kawira Mwangaza emia dile kwa teterito ya kamiti ino ele waki no thondeki bwa barabara ja kaunti ya Meru gwitukire mubango wa thirikari neno wa MTF. Kulingana na mutari muneno wa madhabu, thirikari ya Gavana Kawira Mwangaza yanenkanile milioni magana mana ma milongo kenda na ithatu na ngiri magana mugwanja ma milongo mugwanja na mugwanja amwe na magana mugwanja ma milongo ithatu na ithandatu kiri thirikari nene gwitukira mubango wa MTF na gute muradi nomwe wa waki no thondeki bwa barabara waomba kuthina mbere. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ikirekana gitanenkana ya barua no jiku ja kuona ni barabara jiku jathondekagwa amuna kandarathi barabara ithondekaga.
Senator Kaduri and the local contractors in Meru have been crying because of this decision that was made at that time. We acknowledge that the government runs in perpetuity. I inherited both liabilities and assets concerning that concerns Meru County.
Maseneta ba kamiti ino bakimenagire muradi ojo na kuligara gitumi mbesa ino jonde jasoka gwa kiri thirikari nene.
So nilikuwa nawaambia napitana na hiyo pesa kwa barabara, nikienda kuangalia miradi na hiyo pesa inarudi kwa Minister of Infrastructure.
The evolution is to strengthen counties and build some capacity around the entrepreneurs. So what is the essence of taking back money to the government, to the national government?
And here we are answering to the questions that we've been asking on the ground. Senator Kaduri has been fighting also to get these answers.
Maseneta baba kamiti ino batongeretu ni Senator Taita Taveta Jones Mwarume leo ni bogwite bakende kidiorole Governor County ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza gukinya mbele kamiti ino gusoke biule bikoni na muradi ojo.
Is why at some point I raised an issue in this committee that if these people are working doing their business and they missed the county and they are working doing business as usual and they arrive, why don't they appear before Parliament to answer queries when you are serving? I still have that problem. The officer who was in charge is still alive. And now, maybe he or she is doing a business laughing at us seated in the Senate, executing this.
It can never be assumed that because somebody has left office, everything that they did then is washed under the bridge. and then the next governor comes and says, it wasn't me. Things can't work like that.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.
Minista wa mbesa nthigurune ya Kenya John Mbadi ni akinyite chukurune ya ubundi ya Meru Poly kiri gikaro kia muingi gya kweza na maoni gukoni ya budget ya thirikari. Kiri gikaro giki Mbadi ni atumirite mubango jwa thirikari kweberia murigo jogoti bwa pei antu baria bandiki muchara jwa rungu rwangiri 30.
Muthira na arua minister wa kigina ndene Kenya akinyite ndene county Meru na kioti kingi nikenda kuthikira mwingi na kuiga uge bwao kimanthuje kia budget ya thirikari kimwaka 2026-2027 ajana ndi kumakiria biashara ethia bikibiki kinyandu ba mawathe ponde betha bana kanyaka kuria bwire bibi.
How does the 2026-2027 budget structurally correct the delays that we witnessed in the previous years? And what concrete timelines do students hold the Treasury accountable to?
Is there a national budget provision for ladies riders training, road safety, affordable insurance and licensing?
Kiri gikaro giki munini wa gavana Norida Giome na mbunge no thimentera mdaundi bokari na bonde bogonto bwa kuthikira mwingine bwega.
Na ni muhimu tukiwa wananchi pia sisi tukue na wakati ambao tunasema hii inapaswa kufanywa hivi, ama the decisions that are being made we are also supposed to be involved.
So tunafanya hiyo bill ya public participation to be going through so that the courts do not throw out each and every public participation.
Antonia minister akiaria auganandi bakitho bagitiro goti kira Kenya barabonde bakure wa mbesha ni thirikari rungura 30.
We have agreed with His Excellency the President. He has directed me to take to Parliament a proposal. I'm not even waiting for finance bill to come in June. I am taking tax laws amendment bill to Parliament. Once Parliament resumes, we are preparing that bill, take to them to approve so that any Kenyan, and by the way, how many Kenyans are salaried? About 3,065,165 Kenyans. Out of these 3 million, 1.5 million Kenyans are earning 30,000 shillings and below. So we have said government should come for my money and leave the person who is earning 30,000 alone.
Ngruki akiwakira bakona mono ni gutigira ati antu barabe na ombani ni bo mono bakutho bakigitwo goti.
By the way, the principles of taxation dictate that you should tax wealth. Number 2, kama pesa ijatosha, then tax income, but never tax trade. So we are trying to avoid taxing trade and reducing taxation on income, but tax wealth. Mshahara inafika mahali mheshimiwa, sasa inakuwa it beats income.
Muthuri Murioki, Woro TV, Mutrio Kangangi.
Mutongeria wa kiama kia ODM Dr. Oburu Odinga ni iteterete na kuuga ati kaba kwenda kujukia giti kia munini wa rais kiria kigwatiri ni Profesa Kithure Kindiki bakiwa kiria bakuthithia ni kugeria guchiariria gutigira antu bao bakuona mugate jo munene methene yo tongeria bwa Kenya aritete miarije kiri mambura za unyagia bwa mbecha chanyota mambura zara thithikirite ntere cha Kisumu. Kiurutani kianyota getete na mbere kugwata mwanki aja nthigurune ntuko ya Narua nigikinyete kaunti ya Kisumu, Homa Bay na Siaya.
Mimi ningetumana hii program ikuje ifanywe na wengine, lakini kwa sababu hii program ni ya muhimu na mimi nataka niwaone nyuso zenu na niwaeleze ya kwamba you have an opportunity of a lifetime. Hii program haina ubaguzi.
Atongeria mwanya kuma kiri thirikari na rutere ruregani wikinya rutere ruru no utawethire siasa mono chia broad based kugwata mwanki.
Mheshimiwa Rais, tunakupongeza vile unaendelea kuunganisha taifa letu la Kenya, na umeleta ndugu zetu wa ODM Sasa tuko katika broad-based administration. We are stronger together. You initially tulikuwa Kenya Kwanza, tulikuwa UDA, but with the ODM family, the country is stronger, the country is more stable, and we want to encourage you as you look forward towards the implementation of the 10-point agenda and all the other programs that you had agreed with the ODM through the leadership of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga.
Nawe mutongeria wa kiama kia ODM Oburu Odinga kuonania akiboreria Profesa Kindiki na njira ya kuga batina bate ya kuyukia gite kiawe muno kirero aria ruria ruirigiri.
As we move forward, we are not going to look for less. Lakini Deputy President, usifikiria ya kwamba tunataka kiti yako, tunataka kukufukuza. Please, you are our friend, but as we negotiate, we are going to negotiate what our people deserve.
Rais William Ruto akieza na mukana kire baria bakubathomera ni mathina jaria rumirite kithomo na kuga ni baguchwa ntaira.
Pale nyuma masomo ilikuwa na matatizo. 2022 capitation ilikuwa chini. Walimu walikuwa hawatoshi. Pesa ya kusomesha watoto wetu ilikuwa haitoshi. Hata program ya university ilikuwa karibu inasambaratika. Lakini kwa kutambua umuhimu wa vijana, we fixed the education program that was broken.
Antonia Wero TV, Mbita Nele wa Kithinji.
Mbeu mbithi kumegembe South ni berekerete muthuro jwao kirimithi Kalenturi nyuma yawe kuigika agita Minister wa Roads Eric Mugankware akariba bani boriti Linturi kugwatira Anthony CS Mugaba kiwa kinyaba tere kwithira ni kirira kumwa kia uritingu gibwa Minister antu akurwana nawe bawite kurwa CS Mugane kurwana mbeu mbithi na kubatikira ndira bakona ume wao akiagirwa gitiyo Marion Karugi gatumenyithie.
Arero toira kreito murunge wike naringa bana kapita munya kaka yuyu inyo otwarire nkware buruwe niyo yatongocha batu niyo Meru.
Ni miambo ya ura wari waziri wori mithika Linturi yukiri ni nduki mbithi kuma mwiro yo yembe baraba menerete Linturi nonto ba miambo ye yakuthia waziri waro engineer Kimurithi Muga akariba bakiromba Linturi kuatira Muga Anthony
oni ankora kapteni agarumere kiringi na nto indaga gaiwa mekuritie acoka kura mwana ringi
mukuru akiagona mwana na gwakia kamuna era miti Newa bati umuna mete amurtana bra bati gutagir tangwe ate bati omuruma amudharidisa ontoi mwanoke
kungi nakuo akiariria biashara thokoni Andhareni gicio kia ubunge kia South Imenti Gideon Kimathi urani director of protocol bisini ya munini wa rais Profesa Kithure Kindiki na menerete Linturi nontuba kuwa Kindiki te Mumiru oria kuonekana akiringira ndebe mutongeria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua mukari wa Mathira
muntu ugwetwa mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi shetani ashindwe ararumanire goro auga ate Kindiki te Mumiru shetani ashindwe Dawando ngameaja mboria Kindiki Mumiru kate Mumiru Mumiru kate Mumiru Darakanithi Meru kanate Meru Mithika Linturi nerwo uyu achokere akue kinyantoro ntimina achokere akue nara achokere tebasa Mithika Linturi atemenya kweja kutwenderia Gachagua wa Mathira aitwira ate Kindiki ate bui wa Tharaka-Nithi ariko ne ate Gachagua Mathira akamwende Kindiki ate getate turenda kwira Mithika Linturi na gwate Nthoni nonto kethe ate Kindiki Kimathi ate ngogene nonto kethe ate Kindiki Meru tutetwetarawa turetarwa nonto bwa Kithure Kindiki Mithika Linturi nonto bwa kiukia wale ndo twendi ule atwenderia ale waziri ale into bieto bya ngirikacha kwengo William Ruto akara kwa wenja eu ni wathenere no na Kindiki o Mithika ende asiende
Nkiripotera Weru TV kumembe Mbita wa Marion Karugi wa Naftali.
Ni kuma kiri rugono rune tukuona kanya ga kunogoka ende tugicokera tukabumenyithia rugono rwa mwanya rwege kiroto kia Meru City ogeta kuraja.
Kiwanda cha Duralong Mabati, tuko na bidhaa mbalimbali kama vile Duralong Versatile, Duralong Roman Tile, Duralong California Tile, Duralong Texas Tile, Duralong Home Tile na Duralong Box Profile. Vyote vinapatikana kwa rangi tofauti na kwa bei nafuu kabisa. Pia tuna vifaa vya kuunda paa la nyumba, yani roofing, kama vile roll tops, ridges na misumari. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu kwa nambari 0710 120 590 au 0110 581 292. Fanya oda yako leo, ufurahie ofa kubwa na ya kipekee ukinunua bidhaa zetu. Mabati ya Duralong ni imara na hudumu hata katika hali mbaya ya hewa. Tuna huduma ya usafirishaji wa haraka na wa kuaminika kote nchini. Masharti na vigezo kutumika. Duralong Mabati, your ultimate roofing partner.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu yake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ni mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyangia na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Mogori wa kinyandu kene eti ya motujua nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujua nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo mudhongi na nikweta ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watuikawe na kioria yende kithia kanando kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
Tukuwate ugeni Eden Baba Beauty Spa njaya kuyo thongi botingana na bongi kinyabure ku aja Meru. Njona harua tukuthongomia na magurija te kuinyiria mubuko jwa kuja class haircuts, coloring and styling, spa treatments and relaxing massages, nail art, manicure and pedicure, makeup and beauty consultation, dreadlock installation and retouch, waxing, eyebrow shaping, scalp treatment na jange. Aja Eden Baba Beauty Spa turi kuthongomia mwankanthi guroyo nthe yuge ebai turi Greenwood Mall floor ya ithatu na turugura ntuko chionde kuma Jumatatu mwanka Alamisi kwambiria thaijiri na ndariki ya 15 cia rukiri mwanka the mwana nusu ciogoro na chio ntuko cia Juma na Jumamosi ni kwambiria thaijiri na ndariki ya 15 cia rukiri mwanka thaijiri na nusu ciogoro na ntuko ya Jumapili ni kwambiria thasta cia muthenya mwanka the mwana nusu ciogoro turingire thimu na rugukurukira 0723 555 015 kana utuchwekire mitandao yetu yonthe. Eden Baba Beauty Spa, where class meets confidence, because yes, you deserve it.
Good evening and welcome to the greatest show on earth. This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
What's it? Iko on. Kila game ina matter. Reconnect now. Dial star 423 hash.
Mimi nasema ugali ya lea haikuwangi complicated. Ukienda kwa duka tu, ukienda kwa supa tu, kwa afya bora ya jamii ungapoa ni lea tu.
Guys, hamwezeni wait?
Bei ya lea premium, si complicated.
Flour, nurturing the world. Available in a store near you.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twist of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rembo Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Kuri na mantu kathomba rungu rwa watho bwa Urban Areas and Cities Act jaria zendekithitwe kuingwa mbere ya tauni gutwika city zarene amwe na kwithirwa na mung'anaji wa ntungiri 250 kioria nere Meru ni gukinyaniria mendekithia ja na kethira itira ingia ni atia thirikari ya Meru ikuibangania gukinyaniria mantu ja. Kiki ni gichunchi kia biere gia kiroto kia Meru City ureteri ni Ntinyari Kinyua.
Kire gitunche kia mbere gia ntuku yegoro nindira kumenyithire kaumoga kiroto kia Meru City noge kamatete na nekinontu thirikari tiumite gutigira kiroto giki gigukinyanira. Narua kire gitunche giki kia biere tureka siasa na nguto nthe turania kiuria kira nikio gikinene na kia bataburu na kio nire Meru ne kuingia jaraja kuendeka kienda gutwikithwa city. Katwanjire na mung'anaji wa nto pamo bariuga mutindo jotiomba buru kuona antu 250 baraba kuendeka kuringana na watho bwa Urban Areas and Cities Act.
Population ya mutindo mongada hii is less than 100,000. Iba kai mono. Ito qualify. On that basis alone.
City ikethirwa ina the entire North-Imenti. The entire North-Imenti means we have to ina wondi dhano. Dene wondi dhano hii tuinantu nguruki ngiri 100.
Uthundhure na buburi ugatea. Kuringana na Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, North-Imenti yonthe kiri utarani wa 2019 yari na antu 177 ake ende turikane utarani bobo bwathithikire miaka 6 mithiru kou kuri na umbani bunene bwantu baba kwithirwo bwongerekete. Kiuria kiria gikuthingatira ni ri gukethirwo antu bate kung'ana baraba kuendekare gakiroto kia Meru City kiumba kugwa. Watho bwa Urban Areas and Cities Act ibuguchokia kiuria giki kiri gachunje ka 5 ijire arabo kuga kinya tauni ekarema kuingia jamoja jaraja kuendeka no yewe gitio ya city status kethira kuri na itumi binge biri tonkuruke. Bunge burabu kuendeka ni Integrated Development Plan kana mubango jo kuona ni ora tauni bangi no rega akura. Kinya kethira mubango jojo ijo akurukirwe na joreo ni jo kuereka nitaka jo tethinga tairwa.
Abado planning Meru irethimtwe mwisho ya thutuna Meru yari municipality. Na kwa for instance industry oire na reki ibo gitindera kwa Meru Central Dairy. Iyo area industry. But yo taka ntuko inande it was abandoned. Na muntu aka a factory or an industry or alaka alwania. Wataka mkutano kwena factories. Kinya ketho kwa kiongo kwena factories. Uteke ntukithinga twa mutindo.
Tukiaranire na rwangirwo bangania ibetikirite kuri no batu bagutegera kaire mubango jojo na gutigira nijo kuthingatirwa uria kubatere.
The current integrated urban development plan, the zones, quiz zones are captured, for instance, still low density, and of course, tina controlled plan na tugeja Milimani, Kenoru, for instance, na the plan is actually due for a midterm review. To review that, during the midterm review, we'll be able to address now some of these challenges, like now maybe revise some of these controlled plans that were previously set. Yeah, I think that's it.
Tukiumaruka kiri mungana Joanto no bangano bwa tauni gatutonya kiri motungata jagitume. Watho bwa Urban Areas and Cities Act ni bwandikite motungata nkurukia 30 jara no mwanka tauni ithiro yagirithitie kenda kubwira city status. Indikiri ripoti eje mbitikiria tumurika motungata ja makai yake jara ni jagitumi nkuruki twanjiritie na roje.
Twina challenge nene muno on matters water. I've been one person who complained that money man to roji no to mistake kire didi kire roji rwa municipality rwa didi tue the year 2000. That the time that rwa didi tue in Japan remember didi ti and design ire didi tue go to serve no me design yawe didi tue for 10 years nandi ebati kwa improved by 2010. We've added more connections to people. We've connected 7 times. And to Baba connect Kirujiro Mewas more than available resource area. It is a big problem and antijina tadinewe kadura lakini as much as itukuwa together as city na I am 100% supporting that one. Ikedwa ina dine nene mono especially tukija kwa city narua with the kind of connection ya Rujura to inaru. But I can tell you we won't be able to manage together a lashon near that in a lashon near 3 times a week. Kintuko muwanja to the roje bugan to kuijiri.
Kiri roje thirikari ya Meru nitikiritie ni uma kuri na thina indi bakiuga kuri na mubango jiroja gutigira thina eje ni gukinya muthia.
For Roje, the Department of Water, they have actually built doing another pipeline. They are doing another pipeline in Roje through Mewas. So water supply Meru is also being taken care of.
Kuri na untubungi burabu ithirito bukiretanga na kanyuene kababa ingi. Untububu na buni utungata bwa sewage irani kingi kira no mwanka kithirwa kirio kenda town yethwa city.
Kwa takatana mutindo wa sewage system wira tueneo ni hara CBD na yaki nare in the 60s and 70s. Itiomba kinya kwa ando waste, sewage waste ya CBD. Last year, sewage yetora wakathita utuko. Kathita river nande atukaneo the sewage disposal system ya mutindo Meru town. Mwanka finally aturetere kotini through party members tutongeretwo ni muntu wetwa Mugambi Manyara to get orders to stop the governor kutura waste sewage ndene kathita nontu kathita igakunywa na ntu bogaiti na ntu bau it is completely inhuman kubathura sewage utuko.
Kiribubu na wegavana mutumanto ithingia na inyirite gwikinya muthia jo mwaka jojo murandi jorajo ititana mbere jo sewage gakoromone jo kethirwa jo gukinyanira na Meru yebane na thine je buru na ntwire
imbethirite ngeskuma muno His Excellency the President na aka promise a number of times that the 1.4 billion sewage project that was there nekinyite kurita sewage here in this city Koita ponds irasi gakoromone see and drained to Rwanyange where the system our drainage ponds are nekinyete 75% complete na contractor ora withirite na this tender na engirwe last month na nende twina another contractor ora wejite kuthiria that drainage system, so all that is taken care of. Mbue ruwa muno, maybe God willing within this year tukaibua kana tukethira tukinenkairwa the complete project ya sewer system ya Meru City.
Mabo mantu ni atiri kinya Meru kaethwa city maukune gukagothio na mutemo jwa city kethira mantu jamoja gitumi jatamba gutegerwa mbere na jo mantu jaja ni amwe na wojania bobwega baruko mutaratara jo muri kujwa kurwana mitino ya mwanki na kinya city mochari ya gweka mireria etikuirite sibitari.
Nimemwambia lazima turudie kama zamani vile tulikuwa naye dustbins in each and every biashara, kila biashara ikuwe na dustbins, pia ikuwe kwa manyumba ndio watu wasitupe ghasia. So cleanliness will be very important for a city. Zile tulikuwa naye wakati wa municipal council 207 nikiwa councillor, tulikuwa na about 4-5 fire engines zile tulikuwa tumepatiwa as a donation, lakini kwa saa hii those fire engines are not there, so hatuwezi kutarajia tupate tu donations, tunafaa tununue, na governor ameniahidi when I spoke to him kabla ya wiki 3 wakati kulikuwa na moto prison, ameniahidi kwamba watapeleka hiyo mswada county assembly ipitishwe, because city haiwezi kukua bila a proper working fire station. So watanunua fire engines ndio, na zile ziko mbaya watazitengeneza.
Thai polisi waikaya mire yao level 5 nande na level 5 ni utata na ntu batena mochari gungana, so we need to afford to do a mochari yetu ya tauni ya Meru.
Na nandiki uria niri Meru kweli iri tayari kana tubati kwamba kwerekania jaja jonthe jaraja kwendeka na jara tona ni jagwitia ngugi nene ukorirwo kugwatanira na uni tinyari Kenya ntukia rujo kiri gicunji kia bithato na kia muthia kia report yeje ya mwanya.
Akari ntorene ya kianda wodine ya kanunu Igembe South ni bachumirite gutetanikira bakwathira ni gutezanirwa ni atongeria bara babaere kura kithuranone kithiru baritariria kuthina ni stima nyonta ya roje na barabara itigwitikirika onto botigite bugitete burunkingo gukura kwa biashara nteriji bakiuga kinyanyuma ya kurira kwa ntuku inyinge gute matagare zethirite za kijukirwa kubothiria oturo. Dennis Mugendi na Nteto Tariria.
Tora ya kianda iriri wandi ni akanuni Igembe South intora ijikene mono na mantu jegendo asemiunda kurene antu abaingi baterete uturo kuna mwankanande otintaira ya suo ithirikari na karibandu no gwatine batwire tiga u tithina semiunda kesi atekite akariba gontuko bari gijoka batejanirwe ithirikari tonto kinya otistima ona roji thina barabara stiterikaga ikuthuka na thina ingi kithumba iria bagutwathira isi barumiririte
tora yetu itwaiterwa stima batu kiongo kiuo kuona kitiona bya kuethia kitiona mbali na bya kuethia nabio njwere cietu iria ikario wou na nonto John Pona atwirira atwikira stima tukwira yetu atwikira stima eto ya siringi bepte atwira atoa stima ate ya gutoa stima na itwetera mantu yau ile antu ba eshimiwa pe ya gutwira mantu yo na bonge njira cietu inyi cia thukire na njira iu ile yo thai no si cia romba inya 2017 na thai no antu bakauneka maoro utengo so kero lami njira yetu no yo eromba kura
ntumo ya onande ikire thirikari nene gukurukira mubunge John Paul Murigi na kinya ya kaunti ya Meru kubarikana bakirikanaga kinya minister wa Roji Eric Murithi muga kwao ti kuraja muno na bendekia abateithia kinya na Roji gukiagia ungi
ne kianda pyope ni ngi muno mpura ne yale kura yendo wetu na kwa ini mpara tu bote bena mpara ai kwa thirikari ya mo teja antu bo tika kontu mo na mo nyemo yo antu bayo yetu genge na kyo oi wa bo nyawe yongo na abwire ko na ato batwa na kunywa
mbomba koromba no twewe rura rwethaira rukianda kinya thano tugatukunda tusukuma twetu yaka barabangi kana ngekoro ingi batu twethira tweno tethio muno kandi batu no tuibacero irwa ya nawa
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, Nturene ya Kianda, Wandini ya Kanuni, Jembe South, County ya Meru.
Kikundi kia mbeo mbithi kume Gembe Central niboketie matete iguru ria kithomo kuoneka kugwa Nteriji untu buria bukujirikiria baka imono kuoneka kuthungira grade 10 kana kiria gikumenyekana muno ta senior school ni borotete mubunge wa Nteriji Dan Kile bakiuga ne atezanirite buru bakiuga kinya wira ne bwayo bwa kithomo kia utherikiria ritoba form 4 butikinyanirite
kwa sinyere okuya mashinano turatue tutam imbiomba kuroma we mweshimwa wetu Gembe Central watonia na watonia bitomba kuobwo tutamokuwa you are doing nothing in that position. That's why we want to replace you come 2027.
Ni miario ya Nduki mbete kumagisho kia ubunge kia Gembe Central batongeretwe ni Titus Meme barabasi umerete kutharikira mubunge wa Dan Kele eururia kuinama kwa kithomo mwiri uyu kukirikana arito baba ingi ba grade 10 ni batulerete misino ntuba wa CBC
ndio lungite sukuru imbingi na nkethira kutina anaba grade 10. The enrollment there is very low na kubatu kwithira kwina 100% transition to the grade 10. Mheshimiwa ndani kile kwenda kuria atire nonto owire Gembe Central iyo tongerete na antobarabe na anabe na mimba sema pema owani iyo tongerete na antobarabe na ndo owani niyo itongeretie na inya anabaraba bakuande na batinda kithomo kikiea ankori atire ni ate Gembe Central gethro to support sukuru cietu na kithomo kethu ndene Gembe Central nonto owe koro ya na arimu baraba especially the teachers na principal bara twirigirite batethie sukuru cietu kwa tu ko kurabo no abaringa transfer kwantu wethira ko ba support gete kithomo ketu kiumba ukira ndene Gembe Central
arimu bareta na aura kwa kuromba ngui beta interview yibandika lwelo njejuma we ta nao kengo kero soka kwenu ninge kure atongoria nani ngajele ngajela yaga bote na atongoria asia turita na tukengo twa na muci tukengo twasi na tweta na ike tumi tukwibwa twena weru bwa kuthura atongoria bange baberu baraba utuyali
Nduki mbithe bariwa bwabo ni ati skuru nyingi icioneke ire antu athuku buru kumane na utongeria burabo ikuo kwithira bote kuyeka masukuru
sukuru cietu ira cioneka the mighty schools thai kai kuthira under your leadership
president ya reka thelona ya barabara ekore na ya ngazete ndi atutukwa barabara era mwanka thai utetalirira yukwa kwa hivyo rombara yako ki mheshimiwa ndani kilini atire antobetu ibakurera sana na kwa hivyo basi batu thai twa mwito sense otongori na tunekanira otongori ke kijana ura wena maono yo to endiguraya
ndiba ari wa itutam ugwa tutamure tuone bira tukora gembi yetutam
nke reporter Weru TV kumembe Bitawa Marion Karugi wa Naftali.
Minista wa Kariabwandene na mibango ya thirikari Kipchumba Murkomen arugurite mubango jwa thirikari jwa jisajili mashinani moro tujwa mubango jujo ne gwikia guciandikithia bobo akue na mukenya uria uri Nturene na kinya kubamenyithia mawega za kwithirwa mtu ari na kibande Caleb Mutembei na Nteto Tariria.
Waziri wa Urongamiri na Ukaria wa Ndene Nthiguru Kipchumba Murkomen ni ariongete sub-county ya Ror mwankani wa West Pokot na Turkana County gutegera ukaria nyuma ya mbithukiro ire ikujiritwe ntereu.
This is an exercise we are doing in the next few months. The security teams have been putting together the necessary equipment and the officers are being assembled and they are undergoing some training and the operations will start soon.
Waziri ni augete antu baria bakuthangikia thiri ntereu na amba bandithia bari gwatwa njara ni ya biashara na siasa baria kuga thirikari ni bamenyete na ni kumenya kuria bari.
We are aware that some of these criminals have the support of some business people, some political actors, and those are the ones who are supplying ammunitions, inciting violence, and they are on both sides of the two counties, and they have been profiled. We know where they are. I just want to tell them that they should visit Baringo or Elgeyo Marakwet County, or the boundary between Elgeyo Marakwet and West Pokot, and see what happened a few months ago.
Ni ariretie karikari antuko ya umthiri ambara gatagati ga ikundi biere kuma Turkana bakiregana na mivango ya thirikari ya ukaria.
There was today an attack within Turkana itself, between two groups within Turkana itself. It's very shameful.
Ni arikiretie na kuga thirikari ya Kenya na maabitha ba ukaria ni baibangite bobwega gucokaniria ukiri wa gutura.
I must say that the government of Kenya, the security officers who are carrying out operations are now well prepared, and you will be reading in the news in the near future.
Kagito kau Waziri Murkomen ni arungamirite kwambirwa kwa mubango wa kwandikithia ibande wa jisajili mashinani uria wina muoroto wa kureta utungata wa kwandikithia ibande akuwe na Kenya utumira njira jia kiriu iria jina mpoe na utho kuitumira.
This is new technology that doesn't require the use of papers. It is also a very portable device that as long as you have the chief and you have the fingerprints officer and you have the registration officer, 3 people, then you can be able to visit any place of the county. This exercise is also going to be carried out in this rapid result initiative. It's going to be carried out in every ward. So we've designated 1 vehicle in every ward. We are partnering with the county government and partnering also with the members of parliament, where the NGCDF is able to donate a vehicle in different parts of the country. We kit those vehicles and make sure that they are able to carry out this initiative.
Caleb Mutembei, Wero TV.
Akari nkuruki ya magana jathatu kuma Ntirimiti wodine ya Kisimani bamukirite utethio bwa ichui bia nguku achia Kimero na Kinyambe ucha Sukuma na nyani ingi cha gitumi kenda kuigika urimi bwa Kimero buria botiungenwe na ndawa cha chomba. Bobo ni kenda gutigira irio biria bigukinya methene ciao itekubekira ugwatine bwa mirimo ni onto bwa kansa. Kakimutegi na chotariria.
Irenjire imwe ya gutigira mukari wa Gisima na gukira Morris Nchanana uri mutongoria kuma Kisima na ambirite mubango wa kunenkanira nguku kiri ikundi mwanya mwanya na memba bagaciarithia nguku ino na nyumani akaruta gicunci gia kumi kiri muturi urotari gikundi ni irenjire imwe ya kuringana njeki na imubango ora kinyithite nterenche Ntirimiti nyuma ya kuthiuruka kiri ntura mwanya mwanya che Kisima arantu nkurukia magana mairi bagunikite na nguku ino
murandi jojo tututete ntura Ntirimiti itwambiritie ntura ingi cia Kisima ward itwithirite twambiritie murandi jojo nyuma miaka 3 ithiri tugaitana antu uria nguku imwe kana ijiri ciomba gutethi gachincha maisha jaku riria twambiririe murandi jojo ntura ire ingi cia na aria Kisima na ngari ntari twabaitana na tuona murandi jojo ijo gukura ntura iria cia Kisima na arua twinthukia ithatu twa muntu nguku na arua tumuitana tukamwira nguku ije twakwa nuntu teka twa ejagu kwa charity ni empowerment gukuthithiria nguku ije na guciarithania nyume mwaka jumwe nyume mieri 6 kiria kethire ciere ukanenkera muturi oku
amwe na kunenkanira nguku Morris na kurutana antu kurutha kitchen garden kingo bebukana na mirimo ta ya kansa nuntu bokumania na ndawa iriko bwirire into ta sukuma kana spinach
itwithirite twina thina cia mirimo mono ja kansa murandi jo twita tukahaba mbe ku certified since yo jairia bona tukabaitana ni ata bombo ochumithia na bagachirima organically batio tumira ndawa ikenda twita tukenia ya thina iji
imubangoro wa mukirito na gikeno kinene muno ya Kariban Trinity
itwigite tukenete muno ja community nontu magita jara tuturite tutona murandi jajuju lakini thaiti tukenete muno nontu antu betu ibagunikite bakwana na nguku kire atongeria bau bangi baraba kwenda kura baraba tari na baraba tetari baraba ritene na baraba teitene itukuromba barikane community barikane ate kure antu bakwenda maendeleo.
Kama iko huko nikienda nizalishe itakuja isaidia wengine wengi, nikikuja nikipeana venye tuliambia na mzungu chukua kuku moja pea mwingine. Mbegu nazo za sukuma na spinach zitasaidia juu zitapunguza ugonjwa hii ya kansa. Mimi nitajipandia sukuma zangu nikule bila kukuleta ugonjwa.
Ngokuye wabiana toka members bangi mbemeri tandazo toka members na iga tuthaithia kinya gitukuria ginkara na mbi na kwa tugeta na mbere na gucende no monge guthie kure
kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mburi ngiripotera ndeto cia Weru ni ukambitaga ki Mutegi.
Au nio twakinyira muthejo wa nteto cietu ceru thaa ithatu ngakwendera utuku bubwega. Rietwa ni Maureen Kinya, muonani rietwa mathithio ni Purity Richard, kambutige na gachunche kanini kamubango jwa tuburuke Natash.
Ko Weru FM tuburuke Natash no maongo rirugoni na kiri kithake kia muthia ngugituthingagira kiri ngutu tukaria ngutu ira ciri nyamuri kiri gonto mwanya gatwira labda wona ukwenu ngutu ire kugigitwe na kuna story ngoko nenkagira ya nterechi ya Nakuru bantu kuritwa Engashura story ndio Nakuru ni tigite antu baingi bari na kimako nontu kurekani family ina bagara batano kiri ana babo onde batano bari watuge bari disabled batu to bari amuri kiwo bari kurekana bari disabled na thina yago ni kumaga kauna kwindama na irongo gitokwarana na tukuthaburi tukuranagia ri either ndira gomba kwizirwa labda mtu akuona kambere gakutha gakariugu gatwire gakutha gekarago na kayamuri ka tuthatu antu bena biuri bingi muno bakutha bakiburagia labda ndi no tugaya mburi mantu makimurungu atwezi judge tumenya nata lakini kira ngokwiranga kwira kira gitema mantu tamu bakutha mekarika gintu kia mbere uga no tugakambere gakutha gakariugu katugerie tone gatwire katwirega kagitata kaka kinya koka kariwo ugu uko mwaganita ari na plan kinya muri ki baby number 3 na wono kuri namba ni makumwanya
na ndenu izithe nene nonto ana baba mbere manje ina ana banana tu na kiana baba nana baire banene beta bagurwa ari bagweta bagurwa na ubagurire basia ombere asiara na baire bakwa asiara bange baire beza be disabled nukuona nani nukuona oranjeria kumenwa nye either in-laws bakwanjeria mumena ona tuete yani asokenja na najanze na siblings bari nyabo be disabled na nukuona nande the noe uko bashugulikira bonde na ithe umenye tosianora athiuruka yana kagari akinora tosio
kara basikiri kara ketha wakati tukapotha bori kuna tosio
ako no ntukoenze gari no magana 3 tekona nande imenga
thora kuna problem
according to nini so tena ndawa so tena treatment at the moment
ibaize bo na komenya kana no mwanka ka wata mwana ari jamuri disabled
nande no izeta sho yenyo balatu no bati gotoka gitwa screening noize kento takiwo kethra we exposed
so katuruta nende ento gukero kira nyamuri kirisho ne atuburuke okethra kuna nite no bati kuthi nyamuri cibitari ukathio ko ndimwe inkero kero kenda omba kuthoka kwena mbio omba kuthokerika geria unazuilia